If you're into wearing your hair in a stretch way, you might like this video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This here is from the last video where I did a reverser on a flat iron hair. During the last rinse of my hair, I did twisted my hair. I will detangle and apply Shea oil to seal the moisture in my hair. For this, you want to gently detangle and comb all the tangles out since we need to have a tangle-free stretch hair. It's time to start binding my hair, and I will be using the elastic hair ties. I'm using the one that does not have metal clips because it tends to pull hair out. I am tender-headed. I have to take it easy on the tightness of this. If you pay attention, you can see my ouch face. This method is good if you have tight curls like mine. Stretching my hair helps me to manage and style my hair with less struggle. This is pretty much what I did all over my head. I did 2-strand twists at each end of the bending. You can see it's not tight. I kept this on my hair for like 14 hours. I did this in the afternoon on Saturday and I took it down on Sunday morning before I go to church. The next day I took it down. My hair is pretty much dry. I separated my hair and I just wore it like this to church. From here, it's easy for me to style my hair whichever way I want. It's easy for me to put it back in a bun and get ready for work the next day. I hope this video helps you in any ways. Do not forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.